Now, that's not the only submerged spot in York County. Seth Kaplan is live with more. Seth.
Yeah, Valerie, just a couple weeks ago when the remnants of Fred passed through, they had a couple dozen water rescues. They've had about that number today, but there's a big difference. Back then it was all vehicles. Today, look at this, homes submerged here. And this isn't the only place. What strikes me is the frequency with which we've seen this. In fact, we didn't mean to stop at this location. We are on our way somewhere else when we ran across this. And there's a home in Fairview Township where 5 people and 3 dogs have been rescued, for example, along with many vehicle rescues that we've heard about as well. So as the rain slows down here, that's the good news. You can see that the total accumulation of water is still rising because of just all of the water that's already here from the rain that fell earlier today, not to mention how saturated the ground already was from those recent storms. One other piece of even better news that we know of right now, no deaths or serious injuries here in York County. Of course, continue to follow this. Be back live later. And right now we're live in York County. Seth Kaplan, ABC 27 News.